See that brain there, alone in the dark? That's you. It's me too, and everyone we know. Each one of us, locked away in the vault inside our heads, separated from the outside world by 6 millimeters of bone that make up our skulls. And no matter where we go, no matter how bright or colorful or loud the sights and sounds around us, or how strange, our brains will always be locked away without direct contact with the vibrations and colors that make up our perceptual world. So how is it that we all have a sense that we richly perceive the world? Well, for many of us, it might feel like we have a little person inside of our heads, passively watching the world go by. In the case of vision, it may feel like that little person is sitting back, watching a screen inside your heads where the light that comes through your eyes is projected. But that's not how perception works. Perception is not passive. For every sight and sound that impinges on our senses, it triggers a cascade of neural firing, where the neurons fire or they don't. It has been likened to binary code, although that may be a bit of an oversimplification. But it's from this metaphorical binary code that our brains and our minds extract meaning and piece together what we experience as perception. Can things like how we feel and what we believe and what we want shape what we ultimately see? Some researchers think so, but others disagree. But one way that our minds unquestionably do shape our perceptual reality is by the way we direct our attention. It's through the way our minds direct attention that, in a very real way, our minds shape our perceptual reality.